Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing these gel polishes from AIMELI, and they're free of HEMA-HPMA-TPO, which is very nice. And if you have any allergies and you want to try something new, maybe this is a good product to try. Some recommendations like 4 fingers first and then the thumb separate, which I agree. LED or UV lamp is good for this gel polish. Then follow the steps as well, the preparation, the base coat, then to apply the coat and then the top coat. And it explains as well on how to remove. Basically, you can soak it off with acetone. My daughters do like to have their nails done. That's why I purchased this kit. These are pastel colors. This is a pastel set purchased on Amazon. It's a 12 bottles in it. Okay. I have the one that looks with this color as well, but now these bottles look like they're new, a new design, or just a new color. Let me see. Yeah, they're slightly different. Okay, and even though this one is AIMELI and this one is AIMELI, this one looks a little larger for some reason. Does it? Let me see. Looks to me a little bit larger. I don't know why. But they're both AIMELI. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Oh, we have a cute purple. Purple. Let's get all this in out of here. Probably faster this way. There we go. Okay, let's put it in order here. Oh wow, these are cute colors. I hope they look as nice as they are on top of the cup here. Okay, I'll put it in order. So let's start from here. Looks like a nice lime, color. It's so pretty, beautiful. This is, they go by numbers, 268. So let's see. And yes, it's very pastel. That's what my daughter wanted. She wanted pastels. So here they are. Pastel, beautiful. This one is 267. Let's see. Oh, the colors are so cute so far. These are beautiful pastel colors. 266. Oh, wow, so cute. And we have 272. Similar to the other one, little bit. 264. Beautiful. 269. It's beautiful as well. 271. Very cute. Purplish. 262. Okay, this one is like a nude. Cute. 263. A cute purple. 265. I think I put it in the random order. Cute. 273. Okay, a pink, a pastel pink. Cute. And last one is 270. Okay. And this one is kind of yellow. Okay. Because my daughter was looking at the design that has yellow in it, so This is perfect, and the bottles are filled up to here, more or less, for what I see. So they're not all the way to the top, I guess, because of the brush, but they're up to here, all of them. They're so cute. So I'm gonna put into work, and I will show you the results. This is the new lamp I have. Sun UV, 48 watts from Amazon. It has a detachable bottom, which is very good. It gives you a good reflection. And you can clean that if you want to, and then you just put it here. It has a sensor, and the settings are back here. This is my new lamp. It has 10, 30, 60, and low heat mode for 90 seconds. So far, it's a very good lamp. Before I purchase it, I look at some reviews on YouTube. So today, let's try how this is gonna cure. So I'm gonna start swatching, and we will see. Oh, let's start with 265. Okay, this polish applies very nicely. It has good coverage, and for what I can tell, it settles very fast, like level off very fast, as you can see here with the light reflection. Very good, very cute. So I'm gonna do that for all the other colors, and I'll be right back with the final result for the swatches. And here are all the swatches. I put a number at the top here. Let me turn it this side this way so you can see better. So I put all the numbers, which is the name of the color. And this is gonna make it easier for my daughter to pick the color that she wants once I show her. I'm gonna be doing her nails, and I'm gonna be recording that as well for you. So stay tuned. I think these colors apply very nicely. This is only one coat, by the way, and I do like that they are really, as advertised, pastel colors. They are actually very pastel, as you can see here. They're very cute, and I'm looking forward to create my daughter's nails. She's always happy when I do her nails. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and have a beautiful weekend.